Uno, dos, tres.
¡Cheese! ¡Hola, mis amigos!
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do something different. Why are you stick like that? Like, let it go. Relax. This is Emily. For those who don't know her, we have done a lot of videos together. You guys know her on my Instagram. She was like this little baby. Now she is, how old are you?
11.
She is 11 and she thinks she's grown and knows everything, talks back, the whole nine. Anyways, I am in the process of just learning how to love my hair, and I want to share that with her because she has beautiful hair, but she don't know how to handle it. She don't know how to do it. What is it about your hair that you don't like?
When it's hot.
When it's hot, what?
Take it down.
So you just don't want, you don't know how to deal with it?
Bothers me. I don't know how to brush it. It takes forever. It takes hours.
It just takes forever, so you just, what do you normally do with it?
Burn a bun.
In a bun and that's it? Let me just tell you, people is paying big money for this kind of hair. You know how much I would give to have your hair, so have it like big and beautiful? So that's what we're gonna create with her today. This is her just waking up. And it's a lot, this is a lot to deal with. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna start with is with this spray bottle. I normally put a little bit of conditioner and water, and also my mom used to put rosemary on mine, so my hair will grow. Rosemary, boiled rosemary helps your hair grow. Part it in the middle, so we have two bolts here. Then you're gonna part it in four. It's gonna be the best way to do this. Sorry. We're gonna start with this side. Okay, so I start with the conditioner in the water. This is it, so we can detangle it. We grab your brush. This is hers. You start from the bottom. See, detangle. Boom. Do the next. That way. To be realistic with you guys, the easiest way to do this is when she's in the shower, because the hair is wet and she could just put some conditioner, part it in four, and brush it out. But even here, it's gonna be a little more difficult. Okay, now that we are brushed out 20 hours later, we're gonna go ahead and apply the product while it's wet. That's the little secret that works for me. And before we start with, Edie said you shouldn't brush your hair like that. This is this will work for my hair, and it works for her hair. So that's the way that I do it. If you guys have any suggestion, different products that might work for her, different techniques, I will appreciate it down below. But no criticizing, please, okay? Because it's not my child, and I just kind of go with the stuff that worked for me. Moving on. The product that I love is the multicultural curls. I use everything from the brand. Quick curl, the whole curl, but this one here is the one that I've been loving lately for my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on her. And I like applying it while it's wet, because it's just easier. Because the way that her hair is, tangle so quick, it's ridiculous. This is the price of having curly hair. Make sure that you run it through the whole hair. That's very important. So it's better to part it in two than do. Right. You can also do it all together if you want. Wet the whole hair and detangle it, but I like doing it in fours for her because it's just easier for me, in my opinion. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it like this. Go ahead and finish. Do the same thing on the other side. The detangle took 30 minutes. What time is it?
It is 3:31.
It took longer than 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, the time that this hair took me. We started at what time?
At like 2:59, like 30.
So 30 minutes, yeah. 35 minutes around there. Damn. Baby girl, I get it when you say tired this, but your hair is gorgeous. I don't want you to think that your hair is ugly because it's not, you don't know how to manage it. It's gorgeous. Again, going in with the multicultural curls. Okay, so this is it. Twirls. Like it like that. Okay, so this is the point. 35 minutes later after detangling, this is the point where you want, you can let it air dry if you want. You can leave it like this. You can't touch it at all. You can't pick it up. You really have to be walking around like this. You just push it back and move it back. So when it dries, still like this, de los pelucas, you can like pick on it and you can make it as big as you want it. Or what we're about to do right now, that is using the Diva dryer, or just a dryer with a, not a diffuser, I don't know what you call this. Yeah, this Diva diffuser. This is good. It's gonna help you maintain the curls and form them. With the blow dry it, or you can do it dry. So we're about to do this. How do you like it?
Cool.
Look at that. The curls look more defined. So how do you like your hair, Millie?
It's cool.
Do you like it better than earlier?
Yeah.
So I know it's a lot of work. It took a lot to do this, literally to dry your hair. To detangle it took 35 minutes, and then to dry it, I kind of gave out, and I was like, let's let it air dry for a little, because it's a lot. But the end results are beautiful, and right now it's still not fully dry, but it will dry while she just outside doing nothing. But look how pretty and defined the curls are. And I just love the product. That product, because it's just, you know, it's really, really good. Do you feel good, Richo?
Yeah.
You still want to put it up in the bun?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't want to be sweaty.
Because it's a lot of hair and you just get hot. Is that the big issue?
Yeah.
So do you love your hair or you don't like your hair? How do you feel about your hair?
I feel proud.
Mm-hmm.
Because other people want to have my hair.
A lot of people want to have your hair. I want to have your hair. But it is a lot to maintain. You just have to mask it every Sunday. But yes. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the best that I could do. I used to do her hair when she was little. It was easier. Now I realize it is a lot harder because it's so much. Like, it's a lot. So, yeah. If you guys have any suggestion, products that she should use, let me know. And also masking products because her hair is pretty dry. And I tried the best that I can. But I love how it turned out when it's still not fully dry. Imagine when it's fully dry. So pretty. Alright, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye!